You know what it's time for, and you know what to do. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your crown center. Open all of your centers. And let's breathe in cosmic golden light into all the centers. So let's open all of your energy centers now. Breathing in cosmic golden light. We'll start at the top. Golden white light coming in through your crown. And let's bring it all the way down to your first chakra. As you inhale through your nose, bring in the light into your base, your first chakra, between your sit bones, your tailbone. And imagine a very beautiful red. As you exhale, let it expand and clear and clean your tribal center. Take a few more breaths. This is the light of God you're breathing in, the light of your higher self, the light of spirit. It's the best eraser for your memories that no longer serve you, and we're cleaning our base chakra with this light. As you breathe it in, it's like a laser beam that cleans and clears this spiraling red center. On your next breath, breathe the light in and bring it to your second chakra, the Sacral Chakra, an orange type color, deep orange, relationships, money. Breathe in deeply and use your laser beam from above to clean and clear your sacral chakra. Bright, deep orange. Swirling and swirling and cleaning and cleaning. Just like when you clean a bowl. Remember, this is the light of God, the light of your higher self, the light of pure spirit. You're breathing in. It belongs to you. It's part of you. You are part of it. And now on your next breath, go to the third chakra center, your third energy center, which is right around your belly, solar plexus, a deep, beautiful, luminous yellow. Breathe the light in and clean and clear the solar plexus like you're cleaning a bowl with this holy light. Nice deep breaths, feeling that you're being assisted by your higher self. And now the bottom three centers, red, orange, and yellow, are just glowing and clean, sparkling. On your next breath, to your heart chakra, a beautiful, deep, sparkling green, emerald if you like. Feeling the heart expand with every breath that you take in. On your next inhale, I want you to exhale with a hum, without opening your lips. and feeling how the heart expands. Can you feel your heart smiling, becoming one with all creation, all beings, all of life? On your next breath, the throat center. Breathe in light and land on this center of your throat, the voice box. Yeah. Let's go with blue. A beautiful blue color, medium blue, sparkling, bringing your words more willfully in alignment with your higher self. I am spirit alive. I am spirit alive. I am. Yes. Breathe into that throat center and clean it with your light. Clear it till it sparkles. And on your next breath, let's bring it to the brow center, your pineal gland, your third eye, the eye of spirit, the single eye that has no capacity to judge. Yeah. And here we have a deep cobalt blue. Breathe in the light from above and feel it spinning around through your pineal gland, front and back of your head, cleaning this tube of consciousness that connects you to the unseen, to the real world, where there's no suffering. There's only forgiveness. And now finally to your crown chakra. Let's breathe in deep purple. Yeah. Feel your connection now with all of Source through this center. Because just above your 7th chakra is your 8th chakra, which has been called by many mystics the mouth of God. But let's clean and clear your crown center to open your connection with your higher self and open your higher chakra, your 8th chakra, which is not on the physical body, it's your halo. Pure white light on this chakra as the mouth of God. Deep breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the nose on this higher center. Heaven to heaven is the breathing pattern now. feeling so connected to your joy, your love, your peace, your divinity, your oneness with all creation is here now in this moment. Just breathe and feel empty, full of light. As your aura starts to glow and radiate, beam this beautiful light, let it overflow from your aura into the room you're in. Take a breath. Ten, 12, 14 feet above you and below you and around you. Take a breath. On the next breath, let it expand beyond the building that you're in. On the next breath, let it expand beyond the city that you're in. On the next breath, let your light expand beyond the country that you're in. On the next breath, let it expand all the way around the world, forming this exquisitely bright blue aura as we all connect around the world, feeling the love for our mother, Gaia. Now, take another breath and allow your blessing to expand throughout this solar system, encompassing all the planets. On your next breath, let your radiance expand into the entire universe. Universe we are. We are one spirit, appearing through many forms, holding the presence of creation in our form, given the will to create whatever we want. There's no judgment. That's why there's so much diversity in the world. And yet in this universe we live, there are so many solar systems, planets, stars, galaxies, nebulas. So much life. And through perceiving it, we come into the experience of being it, one with it. it one with us. It has been said by many that what we can see in the physical world is only 1%, between 1 and 2% of what exists in this universal overview of life beyond physical sight. That's how small we can be and how large we can be in the principle of oneness. We are. We are. And so it is. And now, in the blink of an eye, with your next breath, bring your point of view back into your body and feel the presence of joy and peace that you've cultivated to carry into your day. I bless you with all my heart. I wish only awakening to beyond the illusion to everyone and myself, to everyone as myself. So, until next week, my love is with you. My blessing is with you. And this replay is with you. If you want to do this meditation again, just look into the replays. Thank you for showing up. I appreciate learning through sharing very much. So, blessings on your day, and know that you are loved.